Do you have a shop where you need to either filter dust, or maybe you're finishing and overspraying? You want to collect all that. Maybe you want to build something. This is a cheap box fan, 20 by 20 box fan that's very common. I built an enclosure for it. You can see I have used this quite a lot. You can change out the filters. Now, if you don't want to build something, or maybe you just don't know how, maybe you need plans and you don't want to buy plans, or whatever the case may be, right? You can also buy something. Now, this is a Lasko fan. All right, Lasko fans have high CFM. They're known to be the better box fans, 20 by 20. But what's so special about this is that it comes with a filter already in it. All right, you don't even have to buy a filter when you first purchase this. And if it gets dirty, all you do is pop up 2 clips. This whole thing comes out. You have small tabs that you turn, you twist them. Your filter comes out. You buy a new filter, whatever brand you want. You put your filter back in. You twist the tab. It holds it in place. It has 2 spots that clip into the feet. All right. As soon as you put it in there, it holds it in place. Clip, flip, turn your fan back on, and now you have dust filtration, or collecting all of the overspray if you're doing refinishing. So go out there and get you one of these. Keep the air clean. Keep you having to wear a dust mask all the time, especially if you put this right next to where you're sanding. All right, go out and get you one.